Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you this quick fun DIY called texture painting. You will find that it's not only easy to make, but you can make so many paintings out of them and give them all some extra dimension. If you want to know how I made this, then please keep watching. I started by drawing this image of a zebra which I got from Pinterest. You can of course choose any other image of your liking. I'm going to color all these shaded portions as black, but before that I will create my paint mixture of some baking soda and some black paint. This mixture of soda and paint is what will give texture to my painting. I was running low on paint, so I just mixed the baking soda into the paint jar directly and gave it a good mix. We want to get a somewhat thick mixture of paint here. You might remember this method of painting from my earlier DIY of 4 clay vases, which if you're interested can watch by clicking on the I button on the right hand side. Once the mixture is ready, I started painting on all these shaded portions. Once I am done with the first layer of the black paint, I am going to make this painting clean by using some white paint. I am being extra careful here with the white paint so that I can get some clean, sharp lines. Now to give the black paint some more dimension, I will build up on that first layer and try and spread out the paint as evenly as possible. I kept building up the black paint mixture till I started seeing a good amount of texture in my painting. I finished this painting by extending the stripes on the sides of the canvas too, as clean sides looked a bit boring. And that's it. As you can see, this is quite a quick and easy DIY which anyone can do. The baking soda that I have used here is the one that is used for cleaning purpose, and here I have used some latex paint, but in case you don't have latex paint, you can totally use acrylic paint or chalk paint. It can be a great DIY present for your friends and family, or something that you can make with your kids too. Let me know what you think of this textured painting DIY. If you liked it, then smash that like button, and if you have any views and feedback for me, then please leave them in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you all. And if you want to join me in this unusual journey of DIYs, then subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit the bell icon next to it so that you're always updated on when I post my future videos. Thank you so much for joining me. I will talk to you soon with another fun DIY. Till then, please take care and stay safe.